Andrew Biss, Strippers Flooring. We're based down in St Ives, Cornwall.
I'm Paul Ridley. I've done floor restoration for 15 years. Recently set up Ecofloor of October last year.
Yeah, right.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm Lisa from SmartWood Flooring.
Ben, you alright?
I'm Ben from Last Man Standing. I've been operating for 7 years now, I believe.
Hi, we've already done that.
Stephen Fraser. I'm Contracts Director at McKay Flooring.
I'm Jason Edmonds from BORDERFLOOR.
My name's Jack. I work for my dad's company, S&P Flooring.
I'm Simon. My company is Revolution Floor Care, and I'm a relative newcomer to the industry.
Queen, Prince Philip, everything okay?
I've been doing this for 20 years, come January, so pretty much 20 years. So slightly frightening statistic there. In 20 years, you can no doubt get into well, it's just bad habits, but you get stuck in a rut. There's product ranges that you tend to use. You do things a certain way because you've always done them that way. But I've always been one open to new experiences, other people's stories, and this was a really good opportunity to do that.
I applied for Fly and Sand thinking I'm going to learn something new, and I have learned. I've got on with everybody, good bit of banter. Yeah, I've enjoyed it. It's been really good, really good. The museum trip to the Bends, that was brilliant. Overall, great. Yeah.
Yeah, everyone's great. They're all very friendly, know what they're doing. Like to laugh and joke in the evenings. Wolf Gang's very funny.
Yeah, it's been really good. Really good, yeah.
I was like, so actually,
Factory was amazing. I didn't know there was so much precision going into actually manufacturing a humble. Unbelievable. I was fascinated, thoroughly enjoyed it. In fact, probably the best part of the trip was round the factory.
In the manufacturing part, everyone builds every single machine. So every employee here knows every single part about every machine. I find it very, very interesting.
I can't believe I'm going to put this on camera. I've always been slightly jokey about a Hummel going, oh, the price of a Hummel, it's basically it's a decent engine in a very well-made housing. And then you come around here and you look at the obsessive details that go into one single piece and the machinery, the €2.5 million investment in the parts bit. Kind of almost think they could probably charge more. Again, I shouldn't say that on camera.
it's so much bigger than I thought it was. Because they only have 58 people, you assume that it's only going to be like a really small place. But actually there's so much more room for people to work on their own stations, and like there's so much calm in the factory.
perfect, absolutely perfect. You know, what they've obviously invested in here to produce these, I think, what was it 9 machines in total? You know, solely focusing on them and nothing else, producing premium machines without fault.
My own experience wise, I want to see what is going to save us time, it's going to do a better job, and an overall better finish really.
It's been very beneficial because there's a few tips there that we wouldn't normally use, especially on the cleaning and maintenance of the machine, which is a big issue within our organisation, where we have quite a lot of heads. So a lot of guys will tend to do different things and don't clean the machine properly, or don't clean it at all. Don't remove things for transportation, so they get damages. So it's been a big benefit to me to see that side of things, where I can take that back.
We've always done it our way, but it's been great to listen to the people who design and manufacture the machines to take it to another level really, and I'm looking forward to getting back and passing it on to the staff team and giving them some new guidance on improving our perfection.
Yeah, training's brilliant. Yeah. Again, learning the new machines, the new attachments for the machines, just to make life easier for us as the contractor and for the customer. So we're in and out and getting that good finish. Yeah.
Exactly, and you need to adapt it. Very important to have both sides.
I spoke with a few people who come here from America and done this course, and they were saying that. The only issue we've probably had is with the spinning, I suppose. However, obviously what I've learnt today is we go first pass to the right, lift it up, go back, and then we'll do a circular motion. Obviously that helps with the scratch pattern, and obviously producing premium finish.
It just sounds like it's
I've learned that apparently I can actually skip a grade. I get a little bit obsessive and I go, no, I can't do that. Effectively, I'm doing more work than I need to. So I am going to experiment this week on Monday. I'm going to experiment cutting out a grade and then doing that.
It's not like they're teaching you like what you're doing is wrong. What they're saying is maybe tweak it slightly so then you get a better finish, but a quicker way. It's definitely changed the way I think about sanding, and also now I feel a lot more knowledgeable, so when I speak to customers then I'll feel more confident in what I'm doing because I know what I'm doing is right.
Some of the guys I work with their belt sanders, I can give them tips that I've learned, and they've been doing it a lot longer than me. I feel very fortunate that I've managed to be on this flying sand, and a very big thank you.
Yeah.
Great fun to have the chance to be able to come here and learn the elite way, premium way of sanding floors.
The floor is already filled up.
I would advise people to come in this and do this course. I think you learn a lot, especially you learn a lot about the actual machine you're working with, rather than just starting up and getting on with it. You get to understand it better. So for me it's been a big benefit, yeah. Okay.
You can write it down.
Thank you very much.